Hi guys, so I just got back from school. Today I have a half day because my internship has a half day, so that means I don't have to go. Today we will be productive, or try to be productive. Since it's a free day, I get a lot more time than I usually do. And I want to make a video as well as, I don't know, accomplish the things I have to do. Yes, this is like the good version of peer pressure, you forcing me to do things I actually have to do. So yeah, first thing I have to do is actually change. So hey, I've changed. I hope editing Gabby did that properly. Yeah, so basically I don't have much to do today actually. First, take care of Leo. Gotta make him play outside with me and also make him pee and stuff, make him drink water, stuff like that. I also have to eat lunch and then do my homework, clean my room because I need to fix it a little bit. Ever since I went back from Greece, I didn't really take care of my stuff because of how busy I've been. Really, I've been like all over the place, and then I also have to do the laundry, and I think that's pretty much it. So let's get right into it. I always clean this thing every time I make this kind of video. It's because I can't stop making a mess out of it, so I'm sorry. I think that's good. Oh my god, I dropped everything. No. There we go. Hungry? Hungry? Bye bye. Treat, hungry? Good boy. Hi. Sit. Go. Down. Down. Choose. Nice. Get out there. This has been sitting on that corner for like 4 days, so I'm gonna be the nice person in the household today and at least do this for them. I made a little mess, so I'm gonna clean that up. Alright, I'm gonna have lunch. I have coffee, chicken maybe, and then 2 slices of pizza. I don't like filming when I'm eating, so I'll see you when I'm done. Hi, so I just finished eating lunch. Now I'm gonna do my homework because my teacher just posted our assignment, so I'm just gonna do it. As usual, it's AP Calculus. Finally done. It's currently 3:29. Me and Leo are gonna play real quick. Guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have fun, be productive with me, with you and Leo. Look at Leo. He's gonna go have fun now. I hope you all keep growing. Bye. Run, Leo, run. Bye.